Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to learn the Chinese character on Duolingo. Now if you're on Duolingo and you have chosen Chinese as the language you want to learn and you want to learn the characters, you just look down and you will see one that has letter and character. Now you see that there are two. There is the pinyin, which is the sound system for China, and the Hanzi, which is the character. While learning the characters, you're going to click learn the character. Now let's learn Hanzi. Chinese characters or Hanzi are building blocks for Chinese writing system. Instead of an alphabet like English, Chinese uses characters to represent meanings, sort of like emojis. So she guess what this means, but I'm just going to think it means 1 to 3 based on Japanese. This is Chinese, of course, but there are something that's similar. Shui right here. Shui, water. Shui. And they're also going to teach you how to write it, of course, because you can't read that. Sure, it's always best to pronounce while learning. So they'll teach you as many times as necessary so you can properly understand it. Like I said, it's for your own understanding. They want you to be able to easily. And with that, you are done. That's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.